Where is my daddy? Oh, daddy! Oh, daddy!
Hello, Peppa. Look what I buy for you. I was in a Turkish shop. And I buy a Turkish surprise egg for you. A Turkish Kinder Joy.
Oh, daddy, I want to open it.
Of course, my lovely daughter. Look here. Cosby Fun. Surprise oyun kalklar with surprise toys. A little bit of Turkish and a little bit in English. So come on, let's take a look what we find inside. This is my first Turkish surprise Kinder Joy, and I want to see what we find inside. I think this is the Turkish chocolate, and here we find a Turkish wow, Turkish toy. Dinosaur. It's better like the toys in Kinder Joy. Turkish. So look here. That's a toy for your finger. Come on, let's taste it. So the head. Oh, I can't open the head. Oh. Okay, this is the body, and these are the legs. So, for my small finger is too big. This is for children's fingers, but I make this like this. Dinosaur. Turkish chocolate. Oh, Turkish Kinder Joy is a little bit broken. Oh, look there, here. So come on. That's good. It's not bad. And the chocolate. This is the same chocolate like in Kinder Joy. White chocolate. Not the same, but not bad. Okay, I eat it later. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow on Baby TV.